Hi everyone. So today we are going to start the discussion on waves. Okay, waves. So as you know, what are waves? Basically, waves are disturbance in a medium. Okay, and also in the same time they propagate. That's a wave. Very simple. Very simple. That is, suppose there is a medium, and you are making a disturbance, and that disturbance is propagating also. That is what is waves. Okay, and there are different types of waves basically, and first one is based on, like we are going to discuss. Look at this. This is a disturbance. Suppose there is a water column, and you know that if you make a disturbance and if you put a small stone in it, then the water will move like this. Okay, that is the disturbance to all the directions, not only in one direction, to all the directions. It moves in all the directions. Okay, so that is what is wave basically, and there are different types of waves. Waves is actually a very big topic. It's a huge topic basically. So there are different types of waves. There are different properties. There are different characteristics of waves. So all those things we will discuss one by one. And first we will talk about the types of waves in this video, and the types of waves are also very important. Then only you can identify, or you can distinguish between which wave is that and what is the property of that particular wave, etc, etc. All right, so first one, mechanical and non-mechanical waves. So it is actually based on, one second, yeah, it is actually based on what, the necessity of the medium, or the need of the medium or not. Need of the medium, necessity of the medium. So whether it needs the medium or not, that is, it is based on that. What is the meaning of mechanical waves? Mechanical waves, they need medium. They need medium, and then only they can propagate. So what is the major property of the wave? I would say that is the propagation. What is the major property of the wave? That is the propagation. So mechanical waves, they need medium. Non-mechanical waves, they do not require any medium. So look at this. What is mechanical wave example? Sound wave. Sound wave. Okay. So sound wave is an example of mechanical wave. What about non-mechanical waves? Any light, or any electromagnetic waves. Any electromagnetic waves are examples of non-mechanical wave. I would suggest you one thing. Listen. All of you take your textbook also along with you, and once while I am explaining all these things, you can just have a read also. While you watching this video, you can just have a you can just read also the same topic. Okay, so mechanical waves, they do not require any medium, and you know what is sound. Sound does not require any medium, right? So next is based on the direction of propagation. Based on the direction of propagation. What is about direction of propagation? Look at this, transverse and longitudinal. This is the most important point in this. This is the most important point, that is the transverse. What is transverse wave and what is longitudinal wave? Transverse wave means if the vibration of the medium is perpendicular to, if the vibration of the medium, what is vibration? This is what is vibration. Is if it is perpendicular to the propagation. Propagation, what is the direction of propagation? You can see the direction of propagation. This direction. What is the direction? Direction of vibration. This is the direction of vibration. So if both are perpendicular to each other, that kind of waves are known as transverse wave. What is the transverse wave? If the direction of propagation is perpendicular to the direction of propagation is perpendicular to the vibration of the particles in the medium. That is what is transverse wave. What is the example? The example is EM wave, electromagnetic wave, or water wave. Water wave is another example. Water wave. What about longitudinal wave? Longitudinal wave means it is if the wave motion is happening. Look at this. If the wave motion is happening like this, that is where, look at this. This is actually, you will get an example and then you will understand it. This is an example, that wave on tuning fork wave. Or another example, any other example, that is, suppose you have a small metal, and if you are beating the metal on anything, any other solid part, then there will be a vibration, right? So that is what is waves on. You can say it as tuning fork also. Tuning fork also works in that way only. So if you are not very familiar to tuning fork, that's why I suggested the other one. Look at this. So here there will be compressions. This is what is compression. You studied in the other, board classes. This one, compression, and what is this? This is the rarefaction. Rarefaction. So here, look at this. What is the direction of propagation of wave? Direction of propagation of wave is in this direction. Okay. What about the direction of vibration? That is also in this direction. So direction of vibration and direction of propagation both are in the same direction. That is what is this one, longitudinal wave. Example is this one. Okay, tuning fork. Okay, compressed wave. Next, progressive and stationary wave. Progressive wave means if a wave is, transferring, if the wave is carrying the energy from one point to another point of the medium, one point to another point of the medium, that is what is progressive wave. Very simple example is water wave. Water wave, it carries the energy with it, right? What about the other, within a fixed point, that is the wave will perform. That is what is stationary wave. Stationary wave. What is that? Wave on a string. Wave on a string. Look at this. In a string, if you have a string like this, if you make a wave, the energy transfer will be within that. It is bounded within that limit. So that is what is waves on a string. Waves on a string. So that is what is the thing. And next is one-dimensional, two-dimensional and three-dimensional waves. That is from the definition itself, it is very clear. From the name itself, it is very clear. And one-dimensional wave on a string. And two-dimensional wave, water wave. And the three-dimensional wave, electromagnetic wave. Okay, so these all are the types of wave, and there are special types of waves like matter wave and all, ultrasonic, infrasonic waves and all. Those things we don't want. So in ultrasonic, infrasonic and all, we will discuss while we discuss the sound and all. Some topics we will discuss that there. So this is what is basically the waves. All right, and I think it is very clear. Now we are going to discuss the characteristics of a wave. The characteristics of a wave. Okay, thank you.